It's a 2017 Audi Q7. It's equally adept at the everyday luxury you'd expect, along with the spirit you crave. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled supercharged V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, multi-zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com explains Audi has managed a high-tech presentation without a sacrifice in comfort or warmth. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. Hurry in today and see it for yourself. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.